Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, today we got the Piston Bully versus the Kyosho Blizzard FR. And my wife Susan, say hello,
Hi.
is driving the Piston Bully. It's her first time ever driving anything close to being tank related or this kind of relation, so take it easier on her. So, let's have some fun. Lift the blade up and then back her up. There you go. Oh, you're jammed up. Oh, there you go, you're out.
Dug myself a hole.
I just got myself stuck over there.
Alright, show off. The bit you got stuck on, the FR took care of. I know.
Oh, you're stuck. Pick her up.
There's Brian. Nope. Say the FR is the clear winner.
It takes getting used to.
No, but even the stuff I got stuck in, that one just went. Okay.
Well, let's see if the Piston Bully can climb anything. Easy little slope right there.
Yeah.
I think we need to hobby grade the Piston Bully.
Oh, we need to do something. This thing is hurting.
I think when I upgrade my ESC in the Kyosho, we'll throw the ESCs into that thing.
No.
Stuck? Pick her up.
Yeah, that's stuck.
Oh. Okay. Lift the blade all the way. Nope. There you go. Alright. Straight on. Oh, there's hope for it. There's hope for it. Okay, turn a little bit.
Oh!
Oh.
Wrong way.
There you go. Alright. Both forward at the same time.
I did that.
Oh, it's having a hard time.
Sliding.
Yep. She's losing grip.
Bye, FR. Nice knowing you. No.
Wow, even with all those zip ties there for traction.
Yeah, it's not gonna do it.
Let me see the radio for a sec. Come on, little piston bully. Oh, it's doing it. It's doing it. Oh, barely. It's doing it for everything it's got. No.
More batteries, please.
It just doesn't have enough.
Yeah.
Well, I definitely say the Kyosho wins for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Regardless, it is hobby grade either way, but still. I had some hope for the piston bully. I've never tried to climb a hill with it before, and obviously it can make it most of the way up, but it needs more battery power and more traction on those tracks, so we'll have to add some more zip ties, I guess, for more traction and upgrade the sucker to hobby grade electronics down the road, I think. I think it'll be a much better machine then.
Yeah.
It'll have more speed too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll change the gearing in it and give her some speed.
What about weight for that though? It needs more weight. It's plastic. It's just.
Yeah, it's gonna probably need a little bit of weight because it's got to be able to grip a little better. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was so much fun. I enjoyed doing that. And the piston bully is still a great little machine. It's a lot of fun, you know. But I mean, hey, it is toy grade after all. But they can be modded to hobby grade. It's not that difficult. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.